So guys, I came across this video on YouTube, and you know what, this video actually said if you apply this Japanese mask that you are meant to age backward. Like if you are 30 or if you are 40, you are meant to age back. Like if you are 30, you are meant to look like an 18 years old, and if you are 40, you are meant to look like a 25 years old. Like a lot of people have been jumping into this trend, and I decided to try this. So if you are interested, you want to know how this mask works, so just stick with me. This very video is very tricky because I don't know if this is actually truth, because I've seen multiples of this video, and today of all day, we decided to try this very mask on our face to know how true this really works. I've also seen Nigerian and African YouTubers try this mask on, and the review they gave, they said it really worked, that their face feel more fresher, that their wrinkles is gone, that the team pulled out black hairs off their face. So today we are going to be trying this. Like seriously, I'm scared, and at the same time I'm also happy. Scared because I heard that this very mask is very painful. You know, this mask is expected, you are expected to apply this mask on your face, allow it to get dry. Then once it's dry, you start pulling it off. As in, you can imagine pulling this up is almost like you waxing your face. Like, so you know how painful it is to wax in any areas of your body. So this is really what we are going to be doing. The mask is expected to be on your face. Then once it's dry, you start pulling the mask off. So sit still, let's go through the process, and do not forget to subscribe. So before we continue, if you are watching this video for the first time, do well to subscribe to my channel. Subscribing is totally free of charge. You don't have to pay a dime to subscribe to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much, you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for coming back to my channel. If you have been watching my video all those while and you are not yet a subscriber, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel, turn up the post notifications, so each time I upload a new video, you'll be among the first to see my So guys, here is the potato and the carrot which I'll be using for the facial mask. I have washed it nicely, and as you can see here, it's ready to be used. But I will go ahead and dab the excess water that comes from the washing. So after that, I'm going to peel with the help of my potato peeler. I'm going to peel the both carrot and Irish potato. So with the help of my grater, I went ahead and grate my Irish potato. This is to bring out excess juice from this potato, because all we'll be needing from this is the juice. So I went ahead and do the same stuff to the carrots. So I went ahead to add my gelatin powder. You can get this gelatin powder at a bakery store. So this is where I got mine. So I added 1 tablespoon of gelatin powder and mix everything until the gelatin powder gets dissolved. Then after that, I proceed to cook this very mixture for 1 minute under low heat. You don't have to use high heat, and you have to be turning continuously so this wouldn't get burnt. So once the face mask has heated up to 1 minute, I turn off the stove, then stir continuously to avoid those very masks from drying out. You can see this is very late, so you don't have to leave it and go out and get something. Before you know it, the thing will just get burnt. So I turn this continuously. So you can see here I keep on turning this to prevent the liquid from drying out. So after 1 minute I turn off the heat, let it cool down, and it's ready to be applied on the face. So here, while waiting for the mask to cool off, I went ahead and washed my face, used a kitchen towel to dab and clean my face up. You don't want to apply this on a dirty skin, so you have to wash your face first before applying the mask on your face. So as the mask is still very light and is not thickened yet, so I went ahead and applied it on my face. Do not make the mistake of making this facial mask and keep it for like 2 hours or more. The mask will definitely block because you use gelatin in making this. Is going to thicken up, so it's best to be used when it's warm. So you just start applying this on your face as I'm doing it. So make sure you apply evenly, avoiding your eyebrows, your under eye, because do not apply this as I was applying it, because that was my mistake. But when next I'm applying this on my face, I wouldn't apply under my eye area. So do make sure to avoid those under eye area, because those parts are very, very sensitive. You don't want to pull that area and you get yourself injured, or maybe after the face mask your face will be more sensitive to sun. You don't want sunburn, you understand? So make sure you avoid your under eye while applying this. So guys, once I have finished applying this on my face, I will leave it on my face as long as the face mask is still wet. So for mine it took around 45 to 1 hour before the face mask completely dry up. You know, why applying this, some parts will dry and some will still be very wet, so it's best to let it until every part is dried up. So over an hour since I applied the facial mask, my face is completely dried. I cannot move my face, like make some facial expression. I can't open my mouth so wide, like it's just as if I'm being stuck within my face. So this is the most interesting part of this mask, which is the pulling off of the mask. So guys, sit still, let's pull off this mask. So as you can see here, I will try and look for a place that has been dried up and be lifted up a bit. So I found out that my under chin is the perfect area. So I will drag from my under chin upwards, and I will still check for other areas that are more easier to drag with. So this is how it is. Oh my. Seriously, guys, this is very, very painful. Very painful. If you have zero tolerance for pain, do not try this out. Seriously. And if you have too much hairs on your face, I do advise you not to try this. Seriously. Or if you really want to try it, just apply it, let it dry off, then you use warm water and wash up your face. That is it. At this point, all my face is so hot right now. As you can see, I'm even tearing up already. Oh God. Guys, you can see here, I applied too much on my eyebrow. Please do not make this mistake of applying on your eyebrows. You can see, if I want to pull, my eyebrow might pull along with it. You don't want to be looking like a monkey after doing these facial marks. Make sure you avoid your eyebrow area, because if you pull too hard, all your eyebrow will pull along with the hairs, with the mask. So So guys, if you have been watching up to this moment, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. And what do you think about this video? Can you try this Japanese facial marks? If yes, let's know on the comment section. God. But seriously, my face is glowing. Oh my God. Oh my. Guys. But one thing I will advise you while applying this on your face, make sure you avoid this area. See these two areas? Make sure you avoid them. Don't be like me. I applied at this area. You know, this area are very sensitive. So when you apply it and it gets dry, when you are pulling off, you are pulling those sensitive parts. So you don't want to irritate your skin while after applying this. As you know, you are going to pull. So avoid this area while applying it. Just let it stop in between here. This area is less sensitive, and apply to the rest of the face. These two areas are very, very important while applying yours. So for rating of this Japanese facial marks, I will rate them 70 over 100. Seriously, because I love the glow this is giving me. Like, it gives me an instant glow and I'm liking it already. So that is it. But bear in mind, this is very, very painful. This is very painful. You know, seriously, I was just holding myself while pulling this off. I don't want to start crying in front of camera. So this is one thing you have to bear in mind. It's very, very painful. Very, very extremely painful. If you have zero tolerance for pain, please do not try this. Do not try this, because you will definitely not finish up. Once you start, you just look for something and wash it up. do not try this. So guys, now I'm going to be applying some moisturizer on my face and let my face be calm. So guys, after pulling out this, so I went ahead to apply this rose water on my face. So with a cotton ball tool, so guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching up to those moments. I really appreciate. Use aloe vera, Vit Gold aloe vera gel, and this is to calm the effect of my face. Like, you know, I've pulled the face, I've stressed the face, so I need something cooling on my face. So after applying the face toner, I went ahead and applied this on my face.